We have a warranty issue and a perceived quality issue in the marketplace today. We are pushing the consumer, the shop owner, and the professional technician to the OE dealership. Well, I'm here to tell you that Plews Edelmann is beginning to start a new journey. We've been hard at work. Hi everyone, I'm Dan Billy. I'm honored to be the first to make a video short presentation in a series of videos that we'll be presenting on the future of Plews Edelmann, and we're excited about the future. I have the opportunity of making a large industry announcement in this video, one that we're extremely excited about, one that we've been focusing on and executing for some time now. Before I do go into those details, I want to congratulate the Highline Aftermarket team for their acquisition of our retail division several weeks ago. Many of you may understand that our retail division consisted of non-application parts. As Plews Edelmann turns the page and focuses squarely on application parts, we have this industry announcement we'd like to make. In my travels over the years, I've noticed that when talking to industry executives on the distribution side, and I ask them, what keeps you up at night with regard to parts and parts supply, it inevitably comes down to a discussion of supply chain disruption, warranty and quality parts, and having an alternative when you're being supplied parts by different suppliers or manufacturers. And time and again, I've heard the same thing. And it is power steering hard parts, be they rack and pinion, power steering pumps, or power steering gears, fits those concerns that I mentioned previously. Well, I'm here to tell you that Plews Edelmann is beginning to start a new journey in this process. Our product is not merely bought and sold. It is designed and tooled specific to what our specifications are. In coming videos, we are going to be talking about the varied differentiators that we're putting into our program, unlike any you've seen, to help reduce inventory, to help reduce your warranty claims, to identify the part with key designation, but most importantly, to overcome design flaws. Many of the times they are design flaws in original equipment designs of the product that might be 5, 10, 15 years old, but also in shipping and delivering costs that increase warranty. So we're excited about the future. We're excited about what Plews Edelmann has to offer. We're excited about the fact that you can count on Plews Edelmann as your one-stop shop for all of your power steering needs, be they the hose, the hard part, and let's not forget the power steering filter. In a couple weeks, I'll be presenting to you a power steering filter concept that is currently under patent review. Our engineers have been hard at work over the past several quarters refining a process for that filter so that there are no excuses not to buy one when you're doing a power steering job. And we'll get into more details in the future. But at Plews Edelmann, our future is bright. We're excited about what the future holds, and we hope you partner with us.